Hey everyone, today we're installing a brand new Moen bathroom faucet. If you're curious, the model is Ronin, spot resist brushed nickel finish, 8 to 16 inch widespread. I'll drop a link in the video description so you can check it out. Inside the box you'll get the faucet spout and handles, hot and cold water valves, quick connect hose, a drain body and matching stopper. I won't be installing this today because my sink already has one, and a super handy nut driver tool for tightening everything in tight spaces. You'll also find the instruction manual and warranty details. One thing not included, plumber's putty. You'll need to grab some from your local hardware store. It's only a couple of bucks. The main body is brass, but the inner parts are plastic. Not my first choice, but at this price point, it's a good balance. My countertop is less than an inch thick, so I'm using the standard mounting bracket setup. Roll out a thin rope of plumber's putty and press it into the groove under the spout base. Too much putty is fine. The excess will squeeze out when tightened. Place the spout into the center hole of your sink or countertop, making sure it's straight and aligned. Under the sink, slide on the mounting bracket, then thread on the mounting nut. Use a provided nut driver to snug it up. If you need extra leverage, you can insert a screwdriver through the hole in the tool. Each valve has a protective plastic sleeve. Leave it on until you're ready to connect the hoses. Place a ring with plumber's putty underneath. Over each valve hole on the countertop, drop the valve into position. Underneath, slide on the top metal plate, then thread on the tightening nut. Pre-start the screws on the nut before going under the sink. Makes life a lot easier. Tighten the screws just enough to hold things in place for now. Before installing handles, make sure both valves are in the off position. Hold the handle top, then turn the bottom until it's snug. Repeat for the other side. Quick connect hose. This faucet uses a quick connect system. First, snap the centerpiece onto the spout shank until it clicks. Give it a tug to confirm it's locked in. Remove the sleeves from the valves. Connect the hoses in a crisscross fashion, left valve to right side of connector and vice versa. Connect your hot and cold supply lines to the valves. Hand tighten first to avoid cross-threading. Finish with a wrench, snug, but don't over-tighten. Before running water through the new faucet, remove the aerator using the yellow key. Turn on the water for about a minute to flush out any debris. Check under the sink for leaks. Reinstall the aerator with the key. That's it. Your Moen Ronin faucet is installed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips, and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.